Monsome News Agency informs.
A launching of the book package Mongol Jangar, a heroic epic of Mongolia, was held at the National Library of Mongolia today. The package will be presented to 376 libraries nationwide, and as a start, it was handed over to 11 libraries of Ulaanbaatar City and Batoltisom of Overhangayamag. Within the campaign of enlightenment initiated by Prime Minister Hursukh, Mongol Jangar epic poem was published with the support of Swiss Development Agency and Dasahir Foundation. At the launching, Prime Minister Hursukh said, Mongol Jangar epic has a great significance of upbringing such as living peacefully, making friends, adoring and safeguarding native land, and being patriotic. Distributing the Mongol epic to libraries is a start of works to make children, youth, and public aware of culture, tradition, history, and customs, reinstate, make it pride, and enlighten, and handed the first book package to Director of the National Library, Icharla. The Mongol Jangar, Mongolia's ancient oral epic poem, was compiled and made it ready for publication by historian and epic storyteller Surya in 1986. Surya compiled 10 chapters of the epic printed in Tatbishik in Kalmyk in 1910 and 13 chapters of the epic published in Inner Mongolia in 1958 and made long-term studies on versions of legends, tales, and epics orally inherited among ethnic groups of Mongolia. As a result, the book package with 17 chapters, foreword, ending, and explanation was created. At the ceremony, cultural honors figure and epic storyteller Batircho sang a part of the Jangar epic poem, and Altay Maktar, a praise of the Altay Mountains, in tune with the performance of Tsor and Yatar traditional instruments. Performance of the Mongolian epic of Jangar was inscribed on the UNESCO list of intangible heritage in need of urgent safeguarding in 2011.